Okra is now being harvested here at the farm. Get your hands on some of this beautiful fruit. Yes, I said it. Fruit. What? Okra fruit? Okra is this beautiful, sexy pod that has a sweet, grassy flavor. I can already taste the delicious gumbos our okra will be in. While harvesting okra, we get to go into the fields and see the most beautiful flowers and luscious green leaves that grow with the pods. The flower has delicate, milky white petals and a deep purple center. You just can't even imagine how beautiful they are. When we see that flower, we know that it'll only be a few days before the okra pod will take its place. It really is one of the true joys in life by being able to see the stages of the okra and all of the plants and the stages that they go through. From planting them early in the spring, and now by day 60, we're ready to harvest the okra. It really is a beautiful thing.